Hey Mavens, it's Kaya. Now that you have this incredible deal, how do you get the word out? First things first, my name is Linkia Brewer, but you can call me Kaya, and I'm your stylist success coach here at Mayvenn. Our team is focused on supporting the Mayvenn stylist community by providing you with the tools to sell and supporting you on your journey to success. Today, we're going to be talking about the free install deal. I know, I hear you. Free installs, it speaks for itself, and with a deal like this, they'll be knocking down your doors in no time. There's slightly more to it than that. Let's go over a few ways to offer this incredible deal to your clients. Okay, so here's the scenario. You're talking to your client about this one-of-a-kind deal. What can make it even better? How about the fact that Mayvenn is the only brand to offer a 30-day quality guarantee? So hey, you don't like the hair? No problem. Mayvenn will exchange the hair free within 30 days. And yes, the second installation on exchange hair is free. You heard me right. Mayvenn will pick up the cost on that second installation. All of this provides an incredible deal for your client. Since they no longer have to take into account the cost of the install, they can skip on cheaper, lower quality hair. Instead, they can invest in quality, guaranteed Mayvenn hair at no risk to them. So what does that mean for your clients when we do the math? Let's go over a few ways to show your clients that they win with Mayvenn every time. So for the first look, we'll break down what your clients pay on a popular online shopping destination, AliExpress versus Mayvenn. For the first look, you'll get 3 version Peruvian straight bundles in length 16, 18, 20 with a 14-inch lace closure. Total cost is $182.65. Now factor in the average cost of an install, and again, your clients are looking at a total cost of $332.65. Compare this to Mayvenn, you get the same 3 items for $311.40. And yes, since installs are free, the great thing about the program is you can now have your clients invest in higher quality hair. Your clients will walk away happy while they save $21.25. What about just bundles? Now let's compare. 3 version Brazilian straight bundles in length 14, 16, 18 cost $92.40. Not bad, but not great either. Especially when you factor in the cost of the install, now your clients are paying $217.40 and taking all the risk. So when you buy the same combination from your Mayvenn store, it's $186.30. And remember, this is the free install program, so that's the final price. Now your clients are saving $31.10 at no risk, shipped free, and if they don't like it, then the second install is free too. So there you have it. When your clients purchase from your Mayvenn store, they not only get a 30-day quality guarantee, a second chance install if the first doesn't work out, and free shipping, now they can invest more of their budget into the hair they really want. These are a few examples of why this program is the best option for a variety of customers and looks. Remember these tips and take your time. Explain the features and benefits of the free install program. And as always, continue to share your experiences in our Mayvenn Stylist community. Ask questions, engage with success coaches, and let us know what we can do to help you. Thanks for watching. Go Mayvenn.